Hey everyone, I'm back. Um, Dog Watching 3 is out, and I am so thrilled to be playing this game. Look at this welcoming and inviting title screen. I love this. Let's delve. Oh hell no. Oh hey, I remember you. You're what was your I forgot your name, Eclipse? Or was that the evil one? You know what to do. Stay safe down there. I know what to do? Oh wow. Freddyland? It's a amusement park. This is a reference to I'm gonna nerd out a bit here. Back when FNAF 3 was first coming out, people like sort of theorized that it was gonna be like some type of amusement park. So now I think about it, they weren't too far off. I don't like this at all. I don't Chica, oh my god. Oh, they have them hung up like they're freaking oh god. Oh guys, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Usually YouTubers like putting on an act. Well, like I'm being so for real. I'm actually like terrified. Ooh. The first two games were already bad on their own, but like this, what is that, man? Is that Blank from Five Nights at Candy's? Oh, it's a paper pal. Stay safe with blood on the paper. Security. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. Can I? Oh no 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 no! Wait. How do I open these? How do I open? Ah, whatever. Let's just do it. Finalize we got. If you're a guest, he knows up the office walls. Okay. So who's trying to kill me? If this is anything like FNAF 3, there's no. I'm scared. I'm scared. What is that noise? Do I have power? I assume so. Can't open the door. I can't open the door. What was that? I'm actually so scared. I don't know what I'm doing here. Are those ponies? Is that My Little Pony? What is that noise? What is that? What? You died to salvage. Use your audio alerts and security doors sparingly. Make sure salvage is close enough to hear audio alerts. Doors will stun him for a decent amount of time. Why was it Uncle? Why were his footsteps so wet? Okay, so if I hear him, I have to. Okay, I gotta make sure he's actually close enough to hear the audio. Okay, so it's like Springtrap. That makes sense. Okay, what is my goal here? I don't know what I'm. I mean, I guess I'm just supposed to get to six, but I don't like this. What is that? Guys, I'm so scared. I'm actually so scared. He's coming. He's coming. Close it. Close it. Close it. Get away from me. Oh! Don't look at him. Shut doors if it runs. Watch her if mad. What? Find me? for that, Chica. Um, he's here. Wait, don't look at him. Shadows if it runs. Ah! I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I don't like this game. I don't like this game. Oh, this is so much worse than the first two. This is so much worse than the first two. I hate this. I hate this so much. I wonder, am I able to find him like before he starts moving? What the Foxy back there? I wonder what the story behind this game is, because there's a story, and I'm not sure what it is. I've been meaning to like, I guess now the third game's out. I've been wanting to like make a video going over this game's lore and like trying to piece it together because I don't know if anyone's really done that yet. Hey, whoa, whoa, oh my God, Bonnie, Freddy. Hey guys, you two have seen better days. Why are you and Mr. Mouse? Hey, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I am at a loss for words. I'm not sure how to. I mean, I guess this is a game of trial and error. So audio indoors, your audio lures will keep it calm. Or wait, hold on. Audio indoors, lures will slow it down. Cam 3. Is that where it starts? Cam 3. Wait. Okay, there he goes. That's the noise of him activating. I don't get this thing. This door panel. I get it's to like. I know there's doors around the shit. Walk past. Keep it pushing. Keep it fucking pushing, man. Okay. He's gone. Oh my God. He's like. Oh. Look at him. He's coming back. Are you kidding me? Fuck you. Fuck you! Guys, I can't do it. I can't. This game. This game is scary. This game is really scary. I can't. I listen, if I couldn't beat the first two games, I'm probably not gonna beat this one, and that's okay. But I I don't know. I might come back to it if I learn how to play it better, but Dog Watching 3. Um oh wait. Oh, wait a minute. Who's that guy? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Dog Watching 3, everyone. Thanks.